Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Belizean potato salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Don't forget your fresh vegetables, 1 cup of diced carrots, half a cup of chopped celery, and a 1/4 cup of finely diced bell pepper. Finally, 3 hard-boiled eggs and 1 teaspoon of sugar are key. Now let's get those potatoes ready. Peel and boil about 2 pounds of potatoes until they are tender enough to pierce with a fork, but not mushy. Once cooked, drain them well and let them cool completely before dicing them into consistent, bite-sized cubes. While the potatoes cool, finely chop your carrots, celery, and bell pepper. Uniform pieces ensure every bite is perfectly balanced. It's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooled, diced potatoes, the finely chopped carrots, celery, and bell pepper, and your 3 chopped hard-boiled eggs. Next, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Carefully fold all the ingredients until everything is well coated. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Almost there. Once mixed, cover your Belizean potato salad and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika for a pop of color. This salad is perfect for any gathering. And hey, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.